Welcome back, everybody, and I'm glad you are coming back. I know I don't put out a lot of consistent content, but this trailer may bring us a few weeks worth of what it is. It's about a 42 footer. I haven't measured it. Tag on it doesn't say how long it is. It does say that it's a 1968 trailer. The guy wanted it out of his dock. He has another 1977 trailer. I believe that one's a 45 footer. He wants it out once he gets it cleaned out, but this one's not cleaned out. One thing about this trailer here, being as old as it is, it does not have what you would know today as parking brakes. In other words, brakes that when you take the air away, the brakes lock down. Now, the service brakes do work on this trailer, amazingly. The lights do not work on it, but it's actually in pretty good shape for as old as it is. Anyways, he has a title he's going to give to us for this trailer. It is loaded, and that's the reason I'm saying that it's probably going to have some content, because we're going to go and we're going to empty this trailer out, and it's going to probably take a few weeks. I'm going to go through every single box that's in this trailer. We were in it last night. There's like a couple dozen brand new moving blanket. There's some director's chairs, gold director's chairs, something that says original gold and it says director chairs on the box. They're still in the original box. There's also crates in there. There's a bunch of stuff in there. There's a shelving that was in there. As you can see, it's loaded back to the tail. It's loaded from the front, the nose of the trailer, all the way back to the tail. And like I said, none of the lights back here worked. So I put my handy dandy tow lights on it. We don't know what's all in this trailer. It's got a lot of these things here in it. I have no idea what those things are. It's got brass bushings in the center of those round things. As you can see, there's a pallet of these containers in there. You can just see what that says. You can see what this says. And you can see what's in there. There are screws down in there. And there are some labels on some of this stuff. That says rollers, shoulder belts, X bolts, flathead on that one. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. We got in here a little bit last night. There is a complete set for the fireplace inside the house. We didn't have that, so we're going to clean that up. We're going to put that in the fireplace. It's got the little carry thing for carrying the wood in. It's got that bin for putting the ashes in, and all the pokers and the stand and all that for the fireplace. There's big crates in here. There's boxes we haven't opened up, and we're going to bring you along for the ride. I mean, this could be a serious treasure hunt, and I'm going to try and keep posting videos like every day or every other day of what we find. If you see something you really want out of this thing, get back to me quickly, because I mean, if you want it, somebody else may want it. It's going to be first come, first serve. We'll be willing to sell it to you, because we're not going to give it away, because just like everybody else, we're hurting too. I'm going to follow this little introduction up with another video of us going through some of this stuff.